This is the episode 3 of going 0.42 cents to $1,000 trading forex. And currently in our episode 2, we entered in the balance of $34.96. And currently this episode 3, we took a trade and we are currently running a profit of $320.28 at this very point. We took a trade, and let me show you analysis on that very trade and the reason why we're making this amount of money with this our balance. And currently we're almost reaching our target to $1,000 to a mighty height. We're only following the strategy from the book Micro to Millions, how to grow a small account to a big trading portfolio. And the way I'm doing it, you can do it too. Everybody can do it. With a book, everybody can do it. So from the very point, you can see we did our analysis at this very zone. We mapped out that this 1 hour time frame. You go over to 1 hour time frame. After that, there's a very big strong point here. There's a very big rejection here in the past. You can watch me. The reason why I most of my trades are taken in sniper entries, and sniper entries are where you take trade and the trade is already moving in profit, little or no drawdown. So you can watch that, you can see what the price did here. You can see that this very price reached here in the past. Price bought to the very point, retested here, broke out from this very point, retested and dropped down, broke out here, retested. Currently, as it broke out from here, automatically I know that the trade is going to buy massively, because this very zone is a very strong zone that the trade confirmed, and I entered my buy on a sniper point. The trade bought massively and currently is at this level. That is what I'm seeing, that very point. And if you watch, you see there's a very strong zone at this region here. There's a very strong zone here. So currently my target was for the trade to reach to this very strong zone here, but at this very point we have gathered a lot of capital, and currently I'm closing all trades in profit at this very point. And from this very point, you see I've closed all trades, closed all positions, and currently we're up in $350.52. This account is being grown from a 0.42 cents account. You can go to episode 1 and see us trading it from 0.42 cents and watch how we are going to this our target. And now in this episode 3, we are up $350.52. In this trade I'm taking, I don't force trade. I only take trade when the trade have given me a clear direction where it's going to. I relax, and when the trade have reached my zone, I take my trades based on my analysis and make massive profits. According to the book, this book, the reason why I published it is a guide on how to grow a small account. It's just a guide that can help you grow any small account to a mighty height, from micro to millions. So currently, let's take our next trade and see our target being met to $1,000 to a mighty height. So guys, at this very point, we'll be taking our next trade, and I'll be showing you something here. You mapped out in the very past that we'll be taking our trade from this very point, but the market's closed. We failed to take our trade at this very zone we said we'll take our trade from. We said that we'll take our trade from this very point here on the sell, and now the market opened here. This is 11:04. The market opened just few minutes ago. So currently, and I've seen a very big gap here. I'll be trading based on this gap. I've seen a very nice gap at this very point here. There's a very strong gap here. It map it out very well. You can see that there's a gap here and there's a gap here. So I will not be trading with this gap now. You see, the market now have passed the very gap. So currently I'm expecting it to drop, since whenever it creates a gap, it's going to fail to. Whenever a trade creates a gap, it's going to fail to resume to that very gap. So guys, this is currently selling down massively and giving us such profit to your mighty height at that very point. You can see this trade dropped down massively. Specifically, is dropping down massively at that very point. And currently, I'll be closing all trades in profits. And if you want me to grow your account to something very massive, don't forget to reach me to reach a target for you to something very massive via the link below. And currently I'll be closing all trades in profit at the very point. And currently we are up in $04 at this very point to a mighty high. Target is to $1,000 to something very massive. Let's see what we can do. Let's take our next trade and finalize the very trade to something very massive. So guys, with a balance of $737.04 at the very point, we enter our last trade to finalize and pad the very challenge to a mighty high at the very point. You can know that there is a very strong support level the trade is currently reciting at now. If you watch on the past, you see that this very zone, the trade jam bought massively, so down here. So currently it twisted to this very point. So currently there is a very strong level at this region at this very point. So there is a very strong key level here, and currently it reached here and bought massively from that very region. So let's be mapping out this very zone. We're mapping out this very zone here that there is a very strong support level at this region here. There's a very strong support level there, and I've entered my lot size with 0.10 lot size. I've entered just to buy at this point, prepared to buy massively and give me profit. Let us flip I can just pad the very challenge to something very massive and complete the very challenge from the target was from 0.42 cents now to $1,000 to a mighty height. Mighty height we go. So guys, if you watch, you can see this trade is currently flying massively from our key entry. See, we enter the very trades from here. We always enter on the sniper point. We enter the very entry mapping analysis, and currently the trade is currently buying massively at this very point. You can watch the trade is buying. Let's watch and see, and you can be watching my lot size. I'm not entering full margin. I'm entering my trades, guiding my risk, because I know that in this very trading, I'm meant to guide my risk that my profits for long will not be wiped out on a single trade. So currently you can see enter with just 0.20 lot size at the very point. 0.010 into 2 is 0.20, and currently let's buy and see this trade buy massively and complete our very challenge to something very massive to a mighty height. And if you want to reach me, if you want for your account to be limited to a mighty height, you can contact me via link in the description below to target to something very massive. Mighty height we go. So guys, this trade is currently buying, but it's very slow and it have been for a long time now. And if you watch, you can see this trade have currently bought to this very level from this very region. It have just been buying from our entry points at that very point on a sniper entry. It have been buying this on a snipe. I'm always very specific on my trades because the main aim is to elevate the account to a mighty height. And currently I'll close the very trades at this point, and currently we're up in $849.51, and I'll be taking my last trade. I'm expecting it to continue buying, but I'm going to be taking my next trade. I'll try to increase my position a bit to just pad the very account now to something very massive. So currently I'll be taking my position with 0.2 lot size. I'll be entering with 0.2 lot size into 2 because we are trying to enter on a sniper entry. And if you watch, you can see that the price have currently broken out this very good level that is here, that the price have currently intercepted. So you can see there's a very big breakout now. That's what I'm seeing there. I'm seeing a big break that is meant to occur there immediately. And let's take this very trade because I expect it to buy and give us it profits. We'll be entering this with buys now. So let's watch and see this very trade give us the profit that we need to a mighty height. The main aim is to leave the account to a mighty height. Our target is to $1,000 and we're almost there. Let's see what XUSD has for us to something very massive. You can see the break there, and let's see, this is going to be on a sniper entry too to a mighty height. So you can see what is happening there. You can see this almost like this does now we entered immediately. You can see what is happening there. Immediately we entered immediately at this very point, and I'll be closing this very trade and profit. This is on a sniper entry because I know that for a fact that this very trade currently we are up in $913.27. At that point, you can see we entered this very trade sniperly from this very point, and it does tank immediately. to that very point. We are just currently up in this very balance, and I'll relax and take my last trade to complete very challenge to a mighty height. You know, this account was from 0.42 cents to almost $1,000 now. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're here now. Don't forget to like this video and watch me part the very challenge with this very last trade I entered just now. So guys, I'll be telling you something now. When it comes to trading, you need to be a very good observant trader. You need to know what you're doing. You need to know your craft. When the price will react, when the price there'll be a change of character. You need to know all these very stuff to be able to go account to something very massive, and everything is imported. If you want to learn my strategy, you can contact me via the link below to learn my strategy in my tier. So currently, let me take my last trade now. And currently, you can watch in the past. You can see this very trade so down from this very point in the past. Just watch me step by step from the very point here in the past, and bought from this very point. It bought here, it bought there. Now this is the second one. The second one is from this very point to this point, and I see it have currently bought this very stuff here. I'm just trying to duplicate this, so I'm delete this stuff. Duplicate this. I've currently bought this very stuff here, so I'm expecting the trade to sell from there. This is the sell from there. Duplicate this very stop, a sell from there to this very zone, to our overall, to the overall support level at that point. This is just what I'm seeing there now. And currently, let's take this very account now on a sell at this very point. We're entering a sell with 0.02 lot size into 2 at this point, because this very trade is going to be on a deep sniper entry to a mighty height. You can watch and see how this very trade give us a profit to something very massive. And let's see what XUSD has for us. So guys, the trade is currently selling down massive at the very point. Currently I'm closing out in profit at the very point. Currently I've closed up in $1,019.39 at the very point. I've currently probably very challenge to a mighty height. Currently, you can see what happened. The trade just dropped down massive and gave us a profit at this very point. We just carved the very trade and you probably very challenge to a mighty height. This account is going from 0.42 cents to $1,000, and currently I've completed very challenge. We followed the strategy micro to millions, this exact micro to millions strategy on the book. You can get it. And you may be wondering the broker I used to grow this account to a mighty height from a very small deposit to something very massive. I'm using Vintage Markets. This broker is a very good, regulated and reliable broker with a very tight spread and fast execution. No manipulation is in this very broker. Vintage Markets is the best and efficient broker I use to grow the very account to something very massive, and I absolutely recommend you to register and create an account using the link in the video description below. Create an account, deposit, and witness the smooth transition in your trades, and you'll be able to grow your account with no manipulation, and it is regulated to give you the best and efficient experience in your trades to a mighty height. Don't forget to contact me for account management, to join my VIP signal and my academy via the link below in this very video. And if you watch, you can see the trade have sold down massively to my overall target, to that very point, from that very zone to this my overall target, and sold down to an line as what I told you in the past to a mighty height. See you in my next video. Peace out.